Namaskar, good morning, Ram Ram. Welcome to your own channel RK Astro English. Very interesting. The return of the Venus. Venus is entering a Libra sign on the 2nd September. Finally, the relief for the world because the Venus is debilitated right now when I am making this video. And Venus now when we'll go to the Libra, will go for the long period. Either Venus in 25 days, 30 days, it quickly changes the sign. But now up to 6th of November, then Venus will retrograde also after 2.5 years. Then Venus will again debilitate also. So there is lots of ups and downs. But I think this is the best time period. Either any love matters, money matters, all will activate. And if you are into the Venus Dasha, Antradasha, if your Venus is Yoga Karaka, or let's see which house Lord for you, because I will conclude for all the 12 ascendants, then I think this is a great opportunity for all. What opportunity? For which ascendant? Let's see step by step. Before this, a small information that astrology classes we are starting from 19th of September, Saturday, Sunday classes, and I think this is a great opportunity for you to join these classes. And small information regarding our channels, if you are from a country where you speak or understand Spanish, we have already launched the RK Astro Vedic Spanol and RK Astro Vedic Deutsch for the people who understand German. So Vedic predictions in these two, you can see. Now you can log in and check. I will put link today for sure. Thank you. Now let's talk about topic of today, 2nd November, when this Venus will be in on sign, the return of the Venus after a year. Now the Venus in Libra is one of the strongest placement of the Venus in the transit because Libra is Venus on sign, Mula Trikon sign, favorite sign. Venus represents love, relationship, marriage, beauty, luxury, comfort, artistic ability. It represents balance, partnerships, agreements, justice, negotiation, and social interaction. When Venus enters Libra, the Venusian themes become more visible and generally receive a greater support. The transit can encourage people to seek harmony rather than conflict and to improve the quality of relationship and surrounding depends where your Venus sign is. Now in relationships, romance, mutual understandings and emotional harmony can improve and good for the proposals, reconciliation and marriage discussions. And in marriage related things, it encourages, if already you are married and relationship was not going good, so it encourages compromise, cooperation, and respectful communication between the partners. And for business, I think this is the best time. Favorable partnerships, negotiations, contracts, collaborations, and client-facing work will be there. And career-related, particularly supportive for the fashion, beauty, design, entertainment, media, hospitality, and creative platforms. And money-related thing. Venus is a money. Venus is a wealth, so can bring opportunities through the Venus related businesses, but may also increase the spending on the luxury and the comfort. Social life enhances charm, networking, popularity, and the ability to attract the helpful connections. Creativity, excellent for the art, music, fashion design, and legal negotiation matters. It supports diplomacy, settlement, and finding mutually acceptable solution for both the parties. Shadow side of this is maintain peace at cost of your own truth. Don't be so people pleasing. Spending too much time trying to find the perfect balance is never a good decision. And increased attraction toward expensive purchases and unnecessary comforts is also important here, and focusing on the appearance rather than the genuine compatibility. This is also you need to check for the superficialness in the relationship. It should not be there. So the core message is Venus in the Libra teaches us that true harmony comes from the balance, mutual respect, and healthy relationship, not from simply avoiding the conflict. Sometimes it's important to talk about the things. That is not always the conflict. Now let's talk about the Venus when entered to the Libra for the Aries ascendant family members 2nd September to 6th November in your Kendra Sthan on sign. Now for Aries people, Venus rules the 2nd house as well. Family, health, wealth, space, this your speech and your gems and jewelry, accumulated resources, and your seventh house of marriage and partnerships. And now Venus is coming to this on sign. So the first thing you may notice is that people become more willing to cooperate with you. If there has been coldness or distance in the marriage, the atmosphere will be the softer. A spouse may become more communicative and more interested in spending quality time together. For unmarried people, this can bring a serious relationship opportunity rather than just a casual attraction. Now, because Venus is second house lord, marriage and money become connected during this time period. A spouse may contribute financially, help you make an important financial decision, or become involved in building family wealth. Some Aries people may discuss marriage, engagement, joint savings, or purchasing something valuable together, and business partnerships can also become a productive because now the Libra people will see you. You will see a naturally favors and negotiations and agreements will be good for you. If you're looking for clients, Venus can make you more presentable, more attractive, and help you win people through the diplomacy rather than the pressure. Your speech can become particularly influential because the second house lord is sitting in the seventh house. What you say in front of clients, customers, or partners can directly affect your financial results. There is therefore not the time to speak harshly simply because you want to prove that you are right. So Venus rewards here the graceful communication. And the seventh house plate men also put more attention on contracts and agreements. You may enter into partnership that has a financial potential, but you should still every clause, ready with every clause, because when you talk to each other on the partnership matters, discuss with each other, write down on the paper, get it registered. This is important for you, and you may, Venus is here aspecting the first house also, so making connection with the lagna, bringing influence directly back on the personality and the appearance. You may become more conscious of dressing well, improved appearance, or presenting yourself differently. And same will be the condition with life partner also. Venus is in the seventh house. So more will be both will be groomed, both will be well dressed, looking beautiful, and spending wonderful time with each other. Other people can find you more attractive and approachable. And this aspect can also make your relationship very good, and you may start thinking less about doing everything alone and more about doing together, who can walk beside you. And there can be reconciliation with someone if both sides are willing to compromise. For the people already married, this can be a period of a renewed affection. For business people, one-to-one dealing can become more profitable. For people working in a beauty, luxury, design, hospitality, counseling, media, or a client facing professions, this transit will be especially very good for you. Financially, Venus can help you create a income through the relationships and networks rather than through the isolated efforts here. But there is one warning that Venus as a second lord can also increase the spending on your partner, luxury restaurants, travels, and beautiful things. Do not mistake this or increased the expenses due to the attraction during the later retrograde phase. An old relationship or unresolved partnership issues may return to the review. Very soon Venus is going to retrograde. So overall this is a powerful period to strengthen the marriage, partnerships, family finances, or your public image here, provided you choose a balanced relationship here instead of relationships based only on the attraction. That should not be the case for you. Now let's move to the Taurus family members. Before this, for Aries, kindly subscribe, share, and hype as well. If already subscribed, thank you very much. I pray for my all Aries ascendant family members for your well-being. Thank you. Now let's move to the Taurus family members. I today forgot to put that plates of which ascendant. What is this? I don't know why. So for Taurus ascendant family members, now Venus is the Lagan lord. Before this, my family members, because September this transit will be, and in September we are starting a new batch. So most welcome to join the astrology classes. I wish to see you there, my dear family members. Thank you very much. And of course, why to forget this new channels already we launched is the Spanish and German language channels we already launched, and you can, if you know these languages well more than English, you are comfortable, you can see the predictions there as well. And now the Taurus ascendant family members. For Taurus ascendant family members, Venus is a Lagna lord, so very special planet, but lord of sixth also, so little bit tough also. So this transit is a direct connection between your personality, health, daily routine, and ability to handle the competition, because Venus is in the Libra on sign but sixth house. Venus enters sixth house of Libra as its own sign. So make you more practical. And sixth house deal with the employment, colleagues who are working with you, your service, your job place, your debts, your health, your disputes, and your daily responsibilities. And because Venus is a Lagan lord, you may become more conscious of improving your working environment and creating a healthier daily routine. You can gain support from the colleagues when you stop trying to handle every problem alone. Workplace diplomacy become one of your strongest tools. Someone who previously opposed you may become more cooperative with you at workplace. If you have an office dispute, Venus can help you settle through the negotiation rather than the confrontation. A competitive situation can also become an easier because Venus gives you the ability to win the people rather than fight the people. And Venus also owns the sixth house, so its own placement in the sixth gives strength to the matters connected with the employment and service. And people looking for a new job may find and better opportunities through contracts, interviews, or recommendations. And employees can improve their relationship with the supervisor and co-workers. Those involved in the HR, hospitality, design, healthcare, administration, beauty, counseling, or customer service can particularly get benefit from the diplomatic quality of this transit. Sixth house also asks you to become more disciplined. Now this is very strong house. Either the disease will be more strong or either the routine. You have to choose. And Venus can make you comfortable, and too much comfort can make you postpone the necessary work. And your biggest challenge will not necessarily be enemies, it can be the procrastination, because now the situation is not the enemy. The thing is, you are postponing, you are avoiding, you are escaping from the situations that is not good for you. And the Venus also rules your physical constitution as a Lagan lord, and improving the food habits, sleep, grooming, and daily balance will produce a visible results in you. And if you see the Venus here, will help you getting support from the female employees. Your female colleagues will help you here very much. And your own diplomatic approach with my every colleague will make you famous. And people who are waiting for the jobs, when I will get, this is the time. And seventh aspects will fall on your 12th house of Aries, connecting work and health with expenses, with foreign matters, sleep, and private life. So you will see when Venus will connect with 12th house, you may spend more money on the comfort, more money on the travel, and wellness also, and improving your lifestyle for the better. Foreign clients on international work also become relevant here. If you're working remotely for a foreign company, the period can support a better professional connections, and the 12th house aspect can also increase the desire for the privacy and a personal relaxation after work. And a married people should make sure work pressure does not consume their private life. And of course, the financially, Venus can help you manage the debts through the better planning, but it can simultaneously increase the expenditure on the comforts. Avoid taking a new loan merely to maintain a luxurious lifestyle, and taking loan here is a very common now for you. You will take the loan. If there are old workplace conflicts, now the coming weeks can give you an opportunity to close them peacefully, and this Venus will also help you getting a job abroad if you're finding job somewhere. And very soon the retrograde phase will also come. Then we will see how this Venus behave here. But this transit ultimately teaches the Taurus people that success does not always come from working harder. Sometimes it comes from creating better relationship around your work. And when your routine become balanced, your productivity improves naturally, and overall Venus in its own sign in the sixth house can help you to defeat the people in competition, improve your employment condition, and manage practical problems and regain a control over a daily practical life or at your job place also. So again, this is a wonderful combination again, but sixth house, never we have to ignore the discipline, the routine, the ethics, the diplomacy. These will be the key factors for you. Thank you very much, my dear family members. Kindly share, subscribe, and hype. If you already subscribed, thank you. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Ram. Now let's move to Gemini family members. Before this small information, 19th September, we are starting classes. So you are most welcome to join the classes. Thank you. Now for Gemini family members, as a wonderful placement you have of this Venus, for Gemini people, Venus rules your fifth house of love, relationship, creativity, intelligence, and kids. And of course, Venus rules your 12th house of foreign countries and private life and spiritual retreats. Now, Venus entered the fifth house of Libra, its own sign, making this one of the more interesting Venus transit for the Gemini. And the fifth house is a house of creation, and Venus here can awaken your desire to create something beautiful rather than simply complete routine responsibilities. Students can become more interested in the subjects where creativity and imagination are required. Those involved in media, entertainment, design, music, teaching, content creation, or counseling. Fifth house is counseling also. Can find this period particularly very productive. And the romance can also become a major theme. A relationship that begins during this period may start through education, creativity, social activity, or shared interest. And then you love someone and you enter into the relationship. Existing relationship can become more playful and affectionate. As Venus as a fifth house lord in its own sign, the fifth house make considerably more strong. So your ability to express yourself can improve. For some people, maybe you find someone from the foreign land. There can be a sudden breakup in the relationship, and then you enter into the new 12th house lord is here. And for some people, the LDR, the long distance relationship, can be there for you. And you finally feel a confident here to show something you have been developing privately. And this can be a good period to launch creative work, education material, personal project. Children can become a source of happiness, and parents may see improvement in the child's creative or educational interest, because Venus also rules the 12th house. There is another layer to this transit that should not be ignored, that love may have connection, as I told you, the foreign countries, but also the private meetings can be there. Also the travels to the places to meet your love partner. For some people, this can be the higher education or education abroad or education to the kids, higher education or abroad education. You may spend money on the education, entertainment, travel, or any creative project. Some Gemini people may experience a strong desire to take a break from the ordinary life and travel somewhere peaceful. And Venus 7th aspect on your 11th house, directly connecting you to the creativity, to the romance with the income, network, and friendship, and fulfillment of desire. This is especially financially, this is important. A creative talent can become a source of income. When you use your network properly here, then only. A friend may introduce you to a valuable opportunity, and your audience, social circle, or online network can be more responsive. For a content creator, this can be excellent time period for attracting attention through the attractive presentation and emotionally engaging material. Romance can also rise through the friends or social networks. However, do not mix the friendship, romance, and money together. Do not mix this. And 11th house, the aspect on the 11th house of Venus will increase the desire for the recognition. Your expenses may rise because the 12th house lord is involved, so the increase in income should be accompanied by a financial discipline. This transit is particularly good for convert a talent into something practical. But maybe you can spend more money on your love relationships, on your kids, on your friend circles, on your elder siblings. And the deeper message is that the player can become productive when it gives structure. And during Venus period retrograde, you will see so many reconsiderations, but wait still 2 months for that. So something you thought was finished may need another look. When Venus will retrograde, it will give you lesson. Overall, Venus in Libra can open a beautiful, creative, and romantic chapter for the Gemini people, while its aspect to the 11th house gives a possibility of turning creativity, relationships, and network into a tangible gains. So get ready for that. Not very good for the stock market until and unless you are doing a long-term investment, very research investment or stock market connected with the foreign lands. Then also you need to see the natal chart as well. But overall, this is a good. Thank you very much, my dear family members. I pray for my all Gemini family members. Kindly subscribe, share, and hype as well. If already subscribed, thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Now let's see the Cancer Ascendant family member. For Cancer family members, information 19th September, we are again starting astrology classes. So most welcome to join this 2.5 month course, Saturday, Sunday classes. Now for Cancer family members, this transit is your 4th house Lord transit. It rules the 4th house of home, property, mother, vehicle, and also ruling the 11th house of gains and networks. So Venus now when will in the 4th house for you, its own sign. This is a place where Venus is a big belly also. Venus gain strength here, directional strength. So you may feel a very strong desire to improve your living environment, to renovate your house, purchase something that gives greater comfort. Property related discussions can move forward, particularly if there has been delay or confusion. The 4th house also represents your mother, so your relationship with her can become a warmer and more supportive. And Venus is also your 11th lord. Property and income can become connected here, so you may gain through the property, gain through the vehicle, gain through the family assets, interior work, or real estate, or a home based business. Maybe you are teaching from home. This is also possible. Any home based business will bring gains for you, and there can be also financial benefits through the friend circles. That means friends, professional networks, and influential contacts. And Venus in its own sign gives strength to your ability to create a comfort through your own effort. And you may receive something you have been hoping for, particularly something connected with the home or material security. And for some people, they will see, I want to renovate my home. I want to renovate my room. I may want to make it luxurious. I want Alexa in my room. I want this. I want that. So many changes you can do for your comfort and luxury. And don't forget that Venus is also aspecting here the 10th house, directly connecting home matters with career. A career opportunity may require you to work from home, change your office, relocate, or balance and professional and family responsibilities differently. Your public image can also improve here because Venus brings diplomacy and refinement to the professional circles. And people working in hospitality, design, real estate, luxury products, interiors, vehicles, or any creative industry can benefit particularly here. However, because 11th house Lord is involved, now your desires can become stronger and you may start spending simply because you can afford something. So let me spend. Avoid unnecessary purchases for the social status only. Later on this year, the Venus will be retrograde also. We will talk in a separate video. But overall, this transit can bring a greater domestic happiness, financial gains, and property opportunities, and a career improvement, provided you maintain balance between comfort and ambition both. So good combination. Only thing is how you make a balance. Luxuries and comforts which you think I like the most. Time for having some sudden incomes connected with the networks and the property. Need to check your natal chart placements as well. But overall, good placement. Thank you very much, my dear family members. Kindly subscribe, share, and hype if you already. Then thank you. Have a great time. And now, the Leo Ascendant family members. For my Leo Ascendant family members, this transit is in the third house. This is information for my Leo family members. 19th September, we are starting a new batch of astrology classes, Saturday, Sunday. So you're most welcome to join this 2.5 month course. Thank you. Now for Leo family members. Venus rules your courage, third house of communication skills, and rules your profession also, your career, profession, reputation. And Venus transiting in the third house on sign, creating a strong connection between the communication, personal skills, professional growth. This is an excellent period to put your ideas into action instead of waiting for the perfect opportunities. Your confidence in speaking, writing, presenting, and negotiating can increase if your profession depends on communication, sales, media, marketing, social media, teaching, consulting, networking. Then this transit is particularly for you, very productive. A project that requires courage and consistent effort can begin moving faster. Your relationship with the siblings can improve, especially if there has been a long distance or misunderstanding if previously. Now the things will be changed. A short journeys may become important for a professional reasons and can bring a useful context. Since Venus is also your 10th lord, career become one of the main themes of this transit. You may receive recognition for a skill that you have developed quietly for the long time. A new professional responsibility can come through your communication ability rather than through the formal authority. And Venus 7th aspect falls on your 9th house. Now the aspect is also important because that is the house of your bhagya. So connecting your efforts with the fortune. Now the higher education, mentors, long distance travel, and international opportunities will be there. A short journey can lead to a much bigger opportunity, and you may also receive a guidance from the seniors, mentors, father like figures, and those planning for the higher studies. Those are in the publishing business or thing, international work or professional certification can receive useful support here. Your career may expand when you learn something new rather than simply repeating what you already know. And the third house also demands the courage. So this is not a transit for remaining passive. You need to make the call, send the proposal, and publish the content or the approach. The right person is very important here. Venus can make your communication here very charming, but avoid making promise simply to impress the another person. There will be retrogression also. We will make a separate video on that. But during this time period, Venus in Libra can turn your communication skills, courage, and personal initiative into the career growth. When its aspect will be go on your fortunes, so your efforts are now connected here. So diplomacy is a key for you, but this diplomacy should not take the form of the over promises. but good time to spend with your younger siblings and the people who are in the social media, YouTube, Facebook, Insta. This is a good time for them to rise. Thank you very much, my dear family members. If you have this combination, enjoy this combination foremost. And thanks for subscribing. If not, kindly subscribe, share, and hype as well. Now, for my Virgo family members, the Venus is definitely a planet which is debilitated from one last month in your Lagna, and it rules your second house of savings, family, speech, food, and rules your fortunes as well. So Venus now, when entered to the second house of Libra, its own sign, making this one of the most important financial and fortune related Venus transit for the Virgo person. The second house becomes strong, so the financial security, savings, and family matters can receive a greater attention here. Your ability to earn through a communication, earn through a knowledge, advising, business, or specialized skills can improve because Venus is also your ninth house lord. Fortune can directly support your finances during this period. A mentor, teacher, father figure, or influential contact may help you assess an opportunity that improves your financial position in the future. And you may also spend money on education, travel, or something that increases your long term earning capacity. Family discussions can become more peaceful here. Your speech can become an important instrument for creating opportunities. If your work involves consulting, teaching, finance, luxury products, beauty, communication, or relationship management, Venus can help you attract a better opportunity. Venus, in its own sign, can also support the preservation of wealth, provided you do not allow lifestyle expenses to rise at the same speed as income. And the Venus seventh aspects falls on your eighth house. Aries, bring attention to the joint finances, investment, inheritance, and resources, but it also demands complete transparency in financial matters. A spouse or a business partner may become involved in important money decisions, and the aspect on the eighth house will bring a deeper transformation in your attitude toward money and security. You may realize that earning more is not enough, so proper financial is required here. And Venus during this time period will also make a diplomatic and a good relationship with the in-laws. And for inheritance related thing, this is also a good time period, but need to avoid speculative decisions based purely on the optimism that is wrong. Overall, this transit can strengthen the wealth, savings, family harmony, fortune, and higher learning. And while the aspect to the eighth definitely will handle the joint finances and long term investments with maturity during this time period, you will see you will have a money flow with the help of father mentors. There will be the sudden wind flow money, there will be the money from fortunes, I can say. And the long journey distance with the family is also on the cards. So good transit here. Thank you very much, my dear family members. I pray for my all Virgo family members. Kindly subscribe, share, and hype if already, then thank you. Jai Shri Ram, Om Namah Shivaya. Now let's move to the Venus family members. Before this, a small information. Astrology classes we are starting from 19th of September. So you can be the part of this 2.5 month course, Saturday, Sunday classes. Thank you very much. Now the Venus family members, this Libra family members. I say Venus family members because Venus is your Lagna Lord and transiting to your Lagna. So what more you want? Lagna Lord in on sign. And this Venus is also because 8th house Lord. So need to check. Now your personality and the transformation are shaking hands with each other in on sign. So this transit, you can say, is one of the strongest placement. You will experience a noticeable improvement in confidence, attractiveness, and the way people respond to you. Your personality become more magnetic, and you may feel motivated to change your appearance, lifestyle, and personal presentation. This is an excellent period for people working in beauty, fashion, media, counseling, design, luxury products, and public facing professions basically, because this is a Lagna. And because Venus is also 8th house lord, so the transformation now will not be only the external one. You may change your priorities, relationship expectations, and attitude toward the financial security. A hidden talent or a opportunity can suddenly become an important occult or something which you will be very interested in. If you are into the 8th house lord, 8th house related professions, that will be very good for you. Otherwise, there can be some unknown fear, unknown thought process, or overthinking regarding wealth, regarding spouse, or regarding some female factor in your life. This is possible. Hidden things will be more which will attract you during this period. And Venus in the seventh aspect falls on the seventh house of Aries, that is your lifeline, that is your life partner. So, strongly activating the marriage, partnerships, clients, and public dealings. Married people can experience a renewed attraction and a greater willingness to understand each other. Singles can attract attention and many other people will see that they enter into a relationship that change their perspective about commitment. Business partnerships can also become significant here, especially when both sides understand their responsibilities clearly. Joint finances may require attention because Venus rules the 8th house and now in the Lagna. So avoid hiding important information from a spouse or a business partner, especially regarding finances. And this transit can also bring a greater investment interest in insurance, inheritance, or shared resources. But these matters should be handled carefully. There will be retrogression period also. I will make a separate video on that. And overall, Venus is your Lagna, can transform your personality, strengthen the relationships, and increase your attractiveness here while teaching you to handle intimacy, shared finances, and commitment with greater maturity. So thank you very much, my dear family members. I hope you able to get the good results here. The only thing is the 8th house lordship when comes to the Lagna. Although when any planet is a lord of first house also and 8th house also, not a much of concern, but still 8th house related energies will be there. So we need to be careful about the health also, especially skin health, especially if this is a female chart, then hormonal health, and need to take care not to take excessive sweets or excessive fast food or outside food, or the food which is good for taste but not good as a nutrition. So we have to take care about the health factors also. And because Venus is aspecting the seventh, that's why I told you that a great transformation in you and your spouse both will be here, and the health of the spouse should also be taken care. Thank you very much, my dear family member. Kindly subscribe, share, and hype. If already subscribed, then thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Om Namah Shivaya. Now Venus enters a Libra in the Scorpio ascendant family chart. Now for Scorpio ascendant family member, Venus rules your very important house, that is the seventh house of marriage, spouse, partnership, public dealings, and of course the 12th house of expenses, foreign countries. And Venus is transiting in fact to the 12th house of Libra in its own sign, brings a strong attention to the foreign connections, life, travel expenses, relationship behind the scene, and the foreign opportunities can come and become more active for you, especially through a spouse. Business partner or professional connections will be there in the foreign, and some people may travel abroad, work with the international clients, or develop an international or important connection with some person who is living abroad. And since Venus is ruling your seventh house also, marriage and partnership will be closely connected with foreign places, travel, or expenses. And married couple may spend more time in traveling together or investing money in creating better private life. Singles may be attracted to someone from a different city, country, culture, background, and Venus in the 12th can also increase the need for the privacy and emotional space. You may prefer keeping certain relationship matter away from the public attention, And financially, you need discipline because Venus naturally increases the desire for the comfort, luxury, and beautiful surrounding, and you will have an enjoyable experience, but expenses can increase. Although Venus in the 12th house in the Kalpurish Kumbli is an exalted planet, so very good placement for the Venus. And as the seventh house lord has gone there, health of the spouse should be taken care. There can be the long journeys because of business or with spouse. There can be expenses by spouse or on spouse. Maybe you can take your business to the foreign land, import, exports. These things can also happen. Now, Venus aspects the sixth house from the 12th house, connecting your relationship with work responsibility, loans, and disputes. So spouse may become involved in solving practical problem, or a business partnership may help you manage a workplace challenge. At the same time, the disagreements over the money or responsibility should not be allowed to become personal. This aspect can also help you defeat competition through the diplomacy rather than the aggression. If you have a pending debts or expenses, this is a good period to organize them systematically. And the 12th house rules sleep and the rest. So maintaining a proper routine become important. And during the retrograde phase, an old relationship, foreign opportunity. I will make a separate video on the this retrograde video. So overall, this transit can bring a foreign opportunities, deeper private relationship and travel. But the key lesson is to enjoy the Venus blessing without allowing expenses and emotional complications to get out of control. Because expenses is a key, and your life partner will be the key to help you or manage these expenses in anyhow, because that is seventh house lord. Although a good combination, a good thing, you will see the expansion of the business beyond the limits. Good time to spend with family member, this especially the life partner, the different countries you can connect with, and to enter in the import export. All these things are well here for you. Thank you very much, my dear family members. Kindly subscribe, share, and hype as well if already subscribed. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Now let's see what about my Sagittarius family members. Before this, is small information. Saturday, Sunday, we are starting classes, 2.5 month course. 19th September is the date when we are starting. Enrollment is already on. You can enroll for the course. Now for Sagittarius family members, Venus rules the 6th house of discipline, work, service, debt, and 11th house of your networking, gains, and desire fulfillment. Venus enters your gains 11th house of Libra in its own sign, making it a highly significant period for income, professional connections, and financial gains. The 11th is one of the strongest house of the gains of the material results, and Venus can help you attract in opportunities through the people rather than through the isolated efforts. Your social network can become more useful, and a friend, colleague, or a professional contact may introduce you to an opportunity that increases your income, because Venus is also your sixth lord. Gains can come from the employment, service, client, competition, or solving practical problem for others. Employees may receive a better professional support or find an opportunity for increased earning. Business owners can benefit from the repeat customer or a strong professional relationships. Maybe you can find someone to love your love relationship in your professional circle or in your personal this networking. Uh, because Venus is also the sixth house of competitions, disputes, and all these things, and enters to the 11th house. So maybe in your own friend circle, some female friend or in your office may oppose you. You will find some very soft diplomatic competition or office politics here. And Venus, because aspecting your fifth house also, so connecting your income with education, creativity, and children and romance. So creative skill will bring a source of income for you, particularly if you promote it through your network. Students may benefit through the contacts who provide guidance or opportunities. And romance, I already told you, get ready for romance in the social circle, workplace, or in professional environment. Because sixth house is involved, so be careful of mixing friendship with financial obligations. Lending money to the friends or entering partnership without clear terms can create an unnecessary complication. The 11th house can also increase the desires, making you faster for financial results rather than circumstances actually allow. Avoid speculative related decisions simply because your income appears to be improving. Don't enter into that. I will make a separate video for the retrogression, but overall, Venus in Libra can bring a strong gains, valuable connections, and a new income possibility, especially when you use your skills, professional network intelligently rather than chasing the quick profits. And for Capricorn family members, I will tell you the another things. But before I reach to the Capricorn, Sagittarius family members, kindly share, subscribe, hype, and of course, if you already subscribe and you regularly watch video which I bring every morning 6 a.m. other than Monday, because I have a long classes Saturday, Sunday, long weekend, so on. I tired. But yes, 6 days daily 6 a.m. India time I bring the video, a new video. So thanks for subscribing, my dear family member. We'll see you in another video. And now the Capricorn family members, and this is my fellow Capricorn family members. My own sign is Capricorn. So a Yoga Karaka planet for us, Venus is, and debilitated these days. So little bit worry. But now Venus rules the fifth house of kids, love relationship, education, and all these things, creativity, and also ruling your profession here. And now coming to the house of profession in the on sign, so now your professional life will become more visible. People may start recognizing the quality of your work, a promotion, a better position, new responsibility, or change in professional direction can develop here. Because your Venus is your fifth house lord, your intelligence and creativity directly supports your career. If you work in a media, design, education, entertainment, counseling, beauty, luxury, finance, if you're a teacher, professor, if you're into some creative field but quality control, this transit is very productive for you. You may receive an opportunity because someone notices a talent that you have previously treated as a secondary, and the relationship between creativity and profession become very strong here. Venus' seventh aspect falls on your fourth house of Aries as well, connecting the career with home, property, vehicles, and domestic responsibilities. And a career opportunity may require relocation, working from home, changing your office, or making an important decision regarding your living situation is possible. Some people may purchase a vehicle or property because your professional income become more stable now. Family members will play an important role in your career decisions. Your kids can do very good professionally, career wise. However, you should avoid allowing a professional ambition to completely consume your domestic life. And Venus in a 10th house will improve your public image, making you more diplomatic, especially with your seniors, authorities, clients, and colleagues. And you can achieve more by building relationship than by entering an unnecessary competition. And for business owners, this can be a great time period with your career direction. And of course, the aspect of the Jupiter or Venus on the fourth house will help you take a luxurious car or a property if you want to buy. This is possible. And Venus, when aspect the fourth house, maybe you upgrade your home, you buy a new flat or property, dispose of the old one. This is possible. Yes, some people can buy the commercial property as well, the luxurious commercial property. This is also possible. So aspect will bring in another, you know, because Venus when will aspect the fourth house as a fifth house lord, so all the guidance and the counseling and the advice you can get from your mother as well. Good relationship with mother and good time to spend with family only if you balance both professional and personal things. There will be the retrogression of Jupiter. I will make a separate video about that. So overall, this Venus in your own sign, a Yoga Karaka planet, it will give you a career visibility, recognition, creative success, and stronger professional relationship. And as I told you, only thing is need to maintain a healthy balance between career ambitions and family responsibilities. No doubt, this time you will get in great opportunities. You will get an multiple income opportunities, working opportunities. But how you need to work? Who is telling those? I'm not balancing myself, because I started this German language, this Spanish language channel. Very soon, maybe some more regional, and I am now not busy, over busy. So able to see the family only one time in the morning, then before sleep, and then cut from everyone. So this is what I also want to make balance, but how? I don't know. But yes, we have to chase for this balance. Yes, professionally very strong. Thank you very much, my dear family members, my fellow Capricorns. I wish and I pray for your happiness, success, health, and wealth. Jai Shri Ram, Om Namah Shivaya. Kindly subscribe, share, and hype. If already subscribed, then thank you very much. Now let's move to the Aquarius family member. Now for Aquarius family members also, Venus is a yoga karaka, same. So for you, Venus is ruling your comforts, 4th house, and ruling your 9th house of Bhagya. So this can be a good time period when circumstances begin opening doors that previously seemed difficult to reach. That means higher education, professional training, specialized learning, everything you will see, you will receive a support. If you have been planning to study abroad, travel internationally, or connect with an institute in another country, this transit will help you doing this all useful developments, because Venus rules your 4th house, and foreign travel or a higher education may be connected with change of residence or living environment as well. You may travel with family or make an important decision about where you want to live in future. This is also possible. A mentor, teacher, or a senior person can become particularly helpful for you for take decisions, which course to take, which not to take, which city, which country, when. And Venus in 9th can also increase in the art, interest in your art, interest in your culture, spirituality, and a refined form of learning. Your relationship with your father or a father like figures may improve, especially through the a better communication. And Venus 7th aspect will be on the 3rd house of Aries. That means connecting your fortune with your efforts, communication, writing skills, short journeys, visa. This means opportunities may come, but you still have to act on them. A message, a phone call, a application, and presentation, or a short trip can become the starting point of something much bigger. Writer, teacher, content creator, marketer, marketing people, publishing, if you are into publishing, consultant. These are very good time periods for you. And your communication can attract people who later become mentors, clients, or collaborators. Avoid waiting for a luck while doing nothing. Venus is showing that fortune responds when you take initiative. During this retrograde phase, an old educational plan, travel opportunity, or a mentor connection is very much possible here. So overall, this transit will bring higher education, though if you are into this student life, travels, if you are young or in any age group, guidance and emotional growth, and with Venus aspect encourage you to turn knowledge into communication in practical opportunities is also possible. So I see this combination a very good combination. Although 6-8, this is like came 6 places from itself. But I think health of the mother is which you have to take care. And for some people may enjoy going to the different places, and maybe you buy some property away from the home. You are looking for this, and this is a time period when you go to the several places and look for the property, where I can buy, how I can buy. These are possible things, and possibilities also of your joining course 19th September. We are again coming with a 2.5 month course, Saturday Sunday classes. Most welcome to join this course. And of course, one more information which is important, that 2 channels already we launched, working on the 3rd. One is Arcastro Vedic Espanol and Arcastro Vedic Dutch. That means German and Spanish language. You will also get all this Vedic astrology content in your own local language. Very soon we are coming with the more channels to give you this information in your own language. Thank you very much, my dear family member. And now let's move to the Pisces ascendant family member. For my Pisces family members, Venus rules your courage, communication, skills, siblings, self efforts, and the eighth house of transformation, joint finances, inheritance, research, and hidden matters. Venus enters your eighth house of Libra, its own sign, bringing attention to the areas of life that normally remain behind the scene. This is not necessarily a negative transit. Rather, it can be the period of a deep financial and personal restructuring. As you know, Jupiter and Venus don't gel with each other. So Venus here got two difficult houses. But now coming to the on sign, this is also good indication. And the house is eighth now. So the joint finances with a spouse or a business partner here require attention, transparency. This is a sensitive matter now. And matter involving your insurance, taxes, inheritance, investment, settlement of your shared resources or property, that all will come into the focus now, because Venus is your third lord. Information can become the key to solving the matters. A document, conversation, or a message may reveal something important that was previously unclear, and people involved in the research, psychology, investigation, finance, healing, astrology, any field which is connected with the eighth house, for them this is a very good combination, a great combination. You will be more inclined toward the astrology, to occult sciences, hidden sciences. And Venus, in its own sign, help you handle the complicated matters with a greater calm and diplomacy. Relationship may also become a deeper, because now the eighth house lord deals with the emotional intimacy and trust. You may want more honesty from your partner rather than superficial harmony. And in the same case, Venus, from the here, the seventh aspect will go on the second house of family also, your speech also, directly connecting your hidden finances with savings, family and accumulated wealth, and a joint financial wealth might affect your personal saving. So always be very careful, and a proper documentation is essential here. You may receive money through the some pending insurance claim, inheritance will be in your favor, any settlement with spouse, you can get that money from spouse in a normal way also, but you should not depend on uncertain sources. Family discussions about property or finances can definitely will help you here, and there will be the long discussions in the family about property, finances, future, inheritance, and Venus will improve your speech. But there will be the retrograde phase. I will make a separate video for that. But overall, this Venus need to take care of health of wife if this is a male chart. But resolve so many problems regarding the joint finances, uncover the useful information and transform your approach towards money, and provide you with a sudden gains. This is possible. This is important for you to avoid secrecy or impulsive investment and a poorly documented financial arrangements. This is very much possible that you get a benefit here suddenly. But regarding if you are husband and you are managing finances jointly and your partner with your partner, be very careful, be very transparent, be very clear. Okay, this is the balance, this is a digital proof, everything should be clear. And any financial matter, there no lending during this time period. And because the third house lord is coming here, only your own communication can land you in the problem, otherwise no. So whatever you are communicating, There should not be the over promise with anyone which later on create problem for you, especially in-laws or the family. So communication should be careful here, how you communicate, because sometimes over diplomacy can also creates a great problems. So be careful about this thing. Thank you very much, my dear family members. I hope you have already subscribed. Thank you. And this is information on closing that 19th September. We are starting a new astrology batch, Saturday, Sunday classes. Enrollment already started. I usually keep 10 to 15 students only, so I can able to interact with all in a good manner personally. So 3 to 4 spots as per Garima ji left. So you can enroll if you wish. And one more information. That is about our new channels, which is a German language and Spanish language, third coming soon. But these two already on air, already videos are posted. You're most welcome to, if you're into this language and you are more easy to understand that language, then you can come. Thank you very much. I pray for my all family members for your health, wealth, happiness, and success in life. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Mata Di, Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Ma Lakshmi, Jai Gurudev.